Large capacity, the 4-quart PFOA/PTFE free non-stick basket holds up to 3.2 pounds of food, perfect for family-sized meals. Cook healthier, faster and more safely than deep frying in oil, eliminating splatter, fatty oils and reducing electricity use. Healthy eating by cooking with 85% less oil for fat-free delicious meals. Same delicious flavor and crispy outer layer without the added calories. Simply add food to the basket, add a tbsp of oil prior to adding to fry basket if desired, set temp/time, and start cooking. Adjustable time and temperature dials give you the ultimate in cooking control and versatility, allowing you to fry, bake, grill and roast all in one. A high-power convection fan envelops food in temperatures from 176 to 392 degrees and 30-minute timer automatically shuts off the Elite Gourmet Air Fryer at the end of the cooking cycle. Guilt-free frying lets you enjoy crispy veggie chips, fish fillets, chicken tenders and more without fatty oils. Includes a cooking guide with delicious and healthy recipes to get you started. Cool touch handle lets you safely remove and serve air-fried foods. The exterior of the Elite Gourmet Air Fryer is easy to clean and retains its pristine condition using just a damp cloth. ETL approved 1350 watt/120 volts air fryer is ideal for home kitchen use. Removable, dishwasher safe and PFOA/PTFE free non-stick coated air fryer pan with rack for fast, easy cleanup. 1-year USA-based customer support team lets you buy with confidence. The Elite Gourmet Air Fryer includes the air fryer base, removable drawer pan, removable rack, instruction manual with cooking guide and tasty recipes. Top reviews from the United States. Surprisingly good. I gave this little air fryer full marks not because I'm being paid or anything like that. I am a truck driver and I find that the air fryer is the way to go for certain meals, especially for steaks. Although it is not the best air fryer you can buy, I have another air fryer I got from Costco that puts this one to shame, but I can't use it on my truck where this air fryer, although not as good, I can easily use it on my truck. I can't cook a whole steak in it depending on the size. Cooked one and recently had to cut it in half, cook it in 2 parts cause the steak was too big, but a pretty small sacrifice considering the only thing I would critique is the handle for the pull-out is a little weak and it doesn't really insulate the heat, so if you're cooking a steak in it, be careful about touching the sides of the air fryer cause it does get extremely hot, but other than that it's relatively cheap and it works in my truck, doubles great as a heater as well. LOL.